yet yakase ye be postu nkrofo ma o makoye adwuma nurses ne doctors and abanse saba and o mo from ampanyini
Mame Mao Akwaba Eba Ghana Sem TV GH so mesra like, comment, subscribing, turn on notification also so that anytime you post video bit is area we sound bekebi.
Afari hospital they asem na minority neka omo say your mampanyini kufo ene hye ase e na NDC aban yewura tamils ne jo mama eba betu no omo baaye no omo anya ho hye NPP ba biem yewura kufo ado ni Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia na omo abaye a ene omo de niam nyina guma yet yakase ye be postu nkrofo ma o makoye adwuma nurses ne doctors and abanse saba and omo from ampanyini jo mama say postu nkrofo no omo koye adwuma no anie na Kennedy wo say 8 years ne ya anya hwede a wo kwatena ponko so ekwa delegate conference say yemma wo kwan na bedi NPP na ameye hwe na nimu no na wo se de na wo be ka kire Ghana fo said ya wo pese nipa nyina hu se wo ka no kore na enso me ene anyansafo hu se wo nka no kore ba akokora no se wo ye no kore kafo a na onya hypocrite nya atwom enya atoro ni ba ma enka wo megina sa party na wo se anya hwe no megina ponko so wa abira amanfo kora nyina namfom na ote ponko so emeka so pese odi party nanim ka ukote wo party ana ukope party e ka no kora di nanim ye pam ya delegate kire se won sem fata eti ko na ahyewa wo de bitter so ogina ho a wanji wa bodwi sempo e ho aye mfita wo de agina ho twa ntoro e kira manfo na ye bitterness na ye wo e ka ye ma ponko no kokko di yanim a wo ponko na wo tena so no ye ba ne kodi yanim aka beka na ye wo kan aso papa ya pam e na obia so ni ho be ma ka pre se fatu a wo kana bra NPP eti ne wo be koso aka wo nsem no a wo kekan fo obia ho de opese o kaka ye hu enyansafo nyina hu sa wo ye bitter no obia wo te ponko so e kwa kansie wo bi namfom wo be twaw amanda wo gu fom ba bia wo be ka se enye se na enye sa bia me so wo tena ponko no so ye de wu ponko na hye ase ye yi na to achene next time wo kwa kansie afa unan ko me say NPP is going to win these elections without you.
Me mo bi ajoba app is anwumre na ye me pesa me ni mu di nkomo kakra like video no na share ma NPP ni bia na Canada Agyapong waka ne ho bio papa we ye NPP ni a wo ma ye very 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 careful about Canada Agyapong. You see me voter me wasem bia me ka say sakokram wan fere say obesu hwene so a Usum feriso di asawa beden ebe tare no so video bi circulate Canada Japan ano auto pickup and a motorbike eko chair police service na odonati cars ni wiye na media for a interview no na o kan bibi afraid hospital na dan kwakofo ado aye ho adwuma wi a NDC for betena kunya so o ma bandi hospital no na Ghana for minority for call ho na mukotwa hu video e de kire Ghana for Canada Japan say minority for no omo ni moral right say on be kan wasem because ono no ye a chairman of the Interior and Defense Committee na MPP abatena for 8 years yentumi anye enti eni hu kwan say you complaining. Oh, adwemboni ntino on tena se na on bisasem ni yie ansa na obekasa agu ne ho ani ma se ye be ko me pesa me ma Kennedy ti ase se that hospitals na ye ko twa ye di bae no na do dan kwakofo ado wo commission hospital no ansa na ye free power e kire se ye wie bibia ama wa commission aka se aban no be ma ade na aye operation a obefa nurses obefa medical doctors obefa nkrofom o makoye adwuma wom na Ghana nya hospital no so mfafo na so no ni selfish interest o portray ne ho che Ghana for say ono de o ka no kwenti no wanya ne checks opentama bu NDC MPP for obu ya kunfo na me ka samba kwa che Canada Japan say 2024 campaign na wo ye na MPP NDC for gina so e de ye campaign ti aye no this time around ya no me support no Mahmoud Bawumia no ani ye nyina no Ghana ayanko ha hospital near baku 9 ana Georgia Kunku for start here and this better kunya for man to nwie na Kwaku for the buy no we mu 6 we mu baku 6 am your operational emu 2 2024 na yaba before say beto aba no na do commission those hospitals no baako pe na yentumi anye enti say yen yo opposition na se yehunu say sani na do a commission ade no na se ubem aban ne be ma ade na yo operational na obetena so 1.5 years wentumi anye na se ye kai aban ne say Ghana for Japade Ghana for sika ne ade yenti no aban ne commission a wo see ya from Canada Agyapong enti no o be catch Ghana for say NPP any moral rights be complaining papa so what for afofra men fam ma NPP so bio I'm telling you you see that kind of crocodile John what you for ni bi no ma be very shallow minded no money nyansa no mo feel say wo oye o kan okra na so pe Ghana for asem no I am tro na we rough a base polu big time because o Canada Japan ye ba be primaries you know o can asem bi and no patriotic citizen be no be ka asem no also what companies bebre ye be say bo mudin ni yentie and then how can o say emre bia okobo company bidin no GRA for chesiu na omo je o taxes bebre enti wani dia wo di be hye wo ho so your member pa na pe Ghana sam na so pe so wo portray wo se ne Ghana for nim se wo kan okre na ese senka wo tumi dwudwam na wo throw company nim na ye hunu so wo tua ato ma oman na na ye no ye beto Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say political party the numbers na ye na so number bi o ho aye number bone asantifo bu baby say entakra na makokọ ye kese na so entakra bone de fanyam kwatre kwa ye ntena se ama Kennedy nya na adwene se wo ya MPP ni na ye boaboa no a wa behwe tete sa akokọ Kennedy Agyapong ye selfish ever since ye to aba no ye yo lusu poto wa seda id no ho akobata NDC epese wa samia de gu ye garim na yanuma MPP ya bre ho na yenya bibia mfiri mu no ye ntena se emono a MPP amana dani sikani MPP amana dani odefo onkogina simpie so na omma MPP animu ngu ase da Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia se Canada Japan say obe free MPP ma Gyai sa o kon ncha sa me paacha no sa Canada Japan yetumi Gyai no ma no kwa New Patriotic Party ye betumi win 2028 election no with that Canada Japan ni vote we are saying ati the for saying na dinati na say aba ye 2 ye your friend is saying ni pa do what percentages no nyaye moment concentrating political party no na yam build say eye ekuo se nipa ba ko free man ekuo ngu ye yantume build MPP party e wo Canada Japan ho anyo no nko ni ena betunya party na ye yie nano wake up ayehwe Spain for edi o mani to lami yama so opraye Keved eni o mo board draw because omo di o mani da so nyina say lami yama enti menuanom MPP for especially your party penny for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia aye ye say wo pa Canada Japan just on madwane MPP so obekọ amoma no nko na party no nton no say oka asema yetumi dealing with him say oya yatamfo waya no motro mojo waya no konongo kaya onu a ponsoa onu susu a o makwan mo bi enya den ensoa enti me pesa me ka say Canada Japan Sir, we are check here, or check here, and come be chan say, ye know can see a cap be far hospitals now, and this age on because Dr. Mahmoud Baomiani, Nana Danko Kufado, ye hospital no commission ye, na cooperation kakasa no, or member na operation. And it's ye don't call assuming ye say, ye beka wasam ne, ye beka wasam chana, send ye end this for tires and for. Na Asante region kwa hospital so mpeso mu jama ne ka no ya ntia se ma ya NDC4 enya saade no na no ye beka na so beka say obefri MPP ma bye bye baba ya brew ni enantitwitwa ya brew ni hypocrisy ya brew ni nipa adwemboni ya brew ni otan a wo de tan Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. I'm telling you. Na sawaya wadwen say ubegu MPP anim asia masa yan tenase ma wo Canada Japan a party na boawo ama wadi ye wo MPP mu wanyam faso wo MPP mu wadi MP for 24 years in the name of the New Patriotic Party adan na oyema nkrofo enti ye ka kiraw sa wo lusu na say enunti otan ani bre wo mu na so be free MPP ma ye show kusa se ko na ye betumi agwini election with that you Canadian Japan enti me ka kire say MPP for minority ye be ka ne nan ye be ka ne kina ye be kire mu Ghana fo ahunu say NDC aban empe asantefo asem NDC aban ekan asantefo na sa hospital si a voter region and then kegu azumi se na nado John Mahama na tie kunya so ana wasi hospital of voter amanu that stage and nka nanado aba power na MPP aba power na yan commission ya nka den na ebesi Ghana ha nyatom na doson we ye corrupt we ye selfishness we ye selfish na selfishness no ya be before aye support Dr. Mahmoud Baumia
abusia joining for make post be on my Facebook page. Now, oko comment section hono ma chale. To be NDC full soldier is the worst case. Worst enemy will place on you. Oko comment section wa I want how be who say NDC full soldiers no. O ma bon hey. Just say nyansa pa de abom. Hey, e bom penny. She post na. Join this for make here no. Almost say government ends fuel price cushioning policy. Scraps 1 Ghana cedis 0.7 pesos per liter relief on diesel effective June 16th. Asema join news e kanyina ne say NDC aban no almost so Ghana for ase. Inti omo ma Ghana for subsidy 1 Ghana cedis 0.7 pesos on each liter of diesel na drivers eto. But sa policy no more ending on 16th June. China. In the 16th June, China no oba betua 1 Ghana cedis more for diesel. That is near post no air count. But then this if so just no. One tiasi, bro, follow. One tiasi, I almost say, Alicia buy a scrap a part of fuel prices. No. NDC buy you 1 Ghana cedis a free diesel. So now Coco says she order oh best. Me baba chow comment TDB. Obi say, so what is Baumia coming to do again in this country? Sako akwasia we. O freeze Mahama aya de papa bi. Fuel subsidy o mo de buy o mu ye free one. E say Mahama ya nti o say Baumia ba be dem. Na comment ba kokra de o besre o say nyansa ebu man. Nyansa fuel subsidy na ye free one. O say nyansa ebu my back was very commendable. The other person also say good work. See we just our boss she was say after the transport operators have increased their prices, now they will never reverse the price hike. And Ayen say Mahama you one Ghana cities a free fuel prices so. Into say transport operators no more increase prices did that. Now policy way now Mahama there but their transport operators and better transport first. A bomb penny back on so I say paying straight to camp MPP. Who is subsidy everywhere then any paying a brand MPP. Back on Anthony to say Ghana is free now. Second independence, just NDC for way there. You see, Obi can say you're saying NDC for no mostly. At the end I am defending no one tells you. Omuba social media no be defending Bibia. At the end I someone tells here, but once I saw be defended there. Omuba kwasi asem no mu di atem. Chale, Obi keso na so ka say koye NDC near Panicho that form the book today because that is the worst case any human being can be subjected to like